All right, if you're looking for a 2-bedroom, under 35 feet, under 6,500 pounds, you're going to want to watch this one. This is a Salem Cruise Light. You have an outside griddle, mini fridge with a quick connect water hose that goes right here. You got power stabilizer jacks, power awning, JBL sound system, outside TV mount, tankless water heater. This is a 2-bedroom unit. Look at all this space in here. Built-in trash can, tons of counter space, nice big window on your campsite side, huge sectional sofa, and this has storage underneath, and this also makes into a massive bed all the way across, or a U-shaped dinette as well when all this twists around. Beautiful bathroom. Look at that arched mirror. I love it. Look, you got your little pantry over here now. Keep all your snacks. You got to eat good while you're camping. Quad bunkhouse back here. This bed folds down. You're making the sleeping. This folds down. They put a TV back here. And Tony T's got delivery available. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. Thank you guys so much.